In the year of 2005 at Sunny Beach, Bulgaria, I saw the Mercedes-Benz CLS 55 AMG for the first time. It was love at first sight. Back then, in its AMG body style of 4-door coupe, it seemed like something out of this world. Although at that time this car costs over 100,000 euros in its base equipment, I was a young boy, but I knew that one day I would own one. The years passed and the model became more affordable, and I've started searching for a suitable car, but I couldn't find one. Almost all the cars I came across were in terrible condition and extremely neglected. That's why I've decided that I would have to buy the cheapest car with issues, but with a good solid body so that I could restore it. And this is how my W219 AMG journey began. After some time of searching, the car has appeared. A Mercedes-Benz CLS 55 AMG, which has fire damage underneath the vehicle. The seller stated that the damage is small, but the engine cannot be started, and the car has exterior modifications, including some carbon fiber elements. As a result of the incident, the side windows were shattered and the front right fender and door were damaged in a collision. What do you think? Is it a good idea to buy and restore this modern classic? Can it be saved? Or are the damages beyond repair?